To find factorial of a number. Following is the example program to find factorial of a number using Java language. Factorial is the class here. Inside the class, giving method fact as int fact of int n is the number, and coming to the condition, if n equal to 1, it returns 1 and terminates the loop, else it executes formula to find factorial fact of n minus 1 into n and returns its value. For printing, given factorial f1 equal to new factorial for calling the method itself, and print statement inside the main method. Here, along with the print statement, we give n plus f1 dot fact of 5 to call fact method, n value is 5, and print else statement value. It works as n equal to 5, n equal to 1 is false. It executes else statement fact of n minus 1 into n, that is fact of 5 minus 1 into 5, fact of 4 into 5. Fact 4 is 4 not equal to 1, again execute else statement fact of 4 minus 1 into 4, that is fact of 3 into 4. So fact of 3 into 4 into 5. It continues till fact of 1, means f1 equal to fact of 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Now fact 1, which is equal to 1 true, it returns 1 value and the loop terminates. So the value of f1 is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 and prints the output as factorial of 5 is 120.